Atma Siddhi Shastra, a concise and complete commentary by Pujya Gurudev Sri Rakesh Ji. After the global cover reveal, the book was launched by the pious hands of saints and dignitaries, and advanced reviews started to pour in from around the globe. A few years ago, we saw Param Kripaludev's name reverberate at the Red Fort, and now, his magnum opus, Atma Siddhi Shastra, reached the hands of the leader of the country himself, the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. In a personal message, he congratulated the endeavor and offered his best wishes for the success of this era-defining creation.
It is heartening to learn that Srimad Rajchandra Mission Dharampur is commemorating the 125th anniversary of Atma Siddhi Shastra, a spiritual treatise authored by Srimad Rajchandra Ji. The endeavor by Sri Rakesh Ji to present the essence of Atma Siddhi Shastra in a lucid manner through its commentary in English is a thoughtful gesture aimed at the spiritual welfare of the youth. May the global launch of Atma Siddhi Shastra further propagate the richness and depth of the spiritual philosophy of Srimad Rajchandra Ji.
Crowning the list, the foreword of the book is penned by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama.
Atma Siddhi, a spiritual treatise in verse by the 19th century Jain master, Srimad Rajchandra, has been an inspiration to many. I am confident that this book kit by my spiritual brother Pujya Gurudev Sri will be of great benefit to those wishing to understand and apply the deeper meaning of Jain philosophy. I am sure there is much in the words gathered here that readers will enjoy and benefit from if they read them, reflect on them, and take them to heart. With my prayers.
The book was honored with a special launch by several other saints. In a sacred gathering at BAPS Sri Swaminarayan Mandir in Sarangpur, Gujarat, the book was launched by the pious hands of Pujya Shri Mahant Swami Maharaj.
આજે પરમ પૂજ્ય સ્વામી શ્રી એક વિશિષ્ટ ગ્રંથનું વિમોચન કરી રહ્યા છે.
પૂજ્ય રાકેશ દાસજી મહારાજ ખૂબ હિત થયું અને હિતને કારણે આજે આ આત્મસિદ્ધિ ગ્રંથનું ઉદ્ઘાટન કરાયું. પોતાની જ્ઞાનવાણી અને પોતાના વર્તનથી આ બધા યુવાનોને સદમાર્ગે વાળ્યા છે. આત્મસિદ્ધિ એ બહુ મોટી વાત છે. એ આત્મસિદ્ધિ જેવી તેવી વાત નથી. ગ્રંથ વાંચીએ ત્યારે ખબર પડે.
આજે પૂજ્ય શ્રી મહંત સ્વામી મહારાજે બહુ જ પ્રેમથી પૂજ્ય ગુરુદેવ શ્રી રચિત આત્મસિદ્ધિ શાસ્ત્રનું તેમના વરદ હસ્તે અને વત્સલ હૃદયથી વિમોચન કર્યું છે. તેઓ શ્રીની સ્નેહ છલકાવતી દ્રષ્ટિ આજે તો જે સ્નેહ વરસાવ્યો છે એમણે અપરંપાર જીર્યો છે અમે.
And lauded by Pujya Shri Brahma Vihari Swami.
शास्त्र के मर्म बताए श्री सद्गुरु सुजान.
The spiritual head and founder of Art of Living, Pujya Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji, launched the book at the International Center in Bengaluru.
Sri Rakesh Ji's innovative tribute to this 125-year-old spiritual treasure is a laudable step to keep the light of eternal wisdom alive.
In the sacred space of Chitrakoot Dham in Maua, the greatly revered saint Pujya Shri Murari Bapu graciously unveiled the book
संत परम हितकारी जगत माही संत परम हितकारी
celebrating the 125th anniversary of Param Kripalu Bhagwan's composition, I welcome Pujya Gurudev Shri's book, Atma Siddhi Shastra, which reveals the secrets of the great work. I bow down to it.
Along the banks of the holy Ganges, in the serene space of Paramarth Niketan Ashram, Rishikesh, the book was launched by the pious hands of Pujya Swami Chidanand Saraswati Ji.
The eternal principles, as explained by Pujya Gurudev Shri Rakesh Ji, will immensely benefit seekers and devotees, contributing towards their spiritual progress and welfare.
And lauded by Sadhvi Bhagwati Saraswati Ji and also Anand Murthy Guruma in the uplifting environment of Rishi Chaitanya Ashram in Gurgaon, Delhi.
Every verse written by Srimad Ji and translated beautifully by Shri Rakesh Bhai Ji will leave a very deep mark. This book will be well received by all those who wish to walk on this path and attain the timeless wisdom.
At the Brahma Kumari's Raj Yoga Meditation Center, Gurugram, Haryana, renowned spiritual guide and mentor, Sister Shivani expressed her delight and reverentially inaugurated this spiritual guidebook.
Atma Siddhi Shastra is not just a book. It is the fruit of years of contemplation, self-reflection, meditation and seva by Pujya Gurudev Shri Rakesh Bhai Ji.
Head of Chinmaya Mission Worldwide, Swami Swarupananda reverentially unveiled this spiritual guidebook for self-discovery.
I'm very happy to receive this copy of the Atma Siddhi Shastra. I invoke the blessings of the Supreme that many benefit from these pearls of wisdom. Hari Om.
All of you should read the book and become a torchlight.
High-ranking political leaders from India's central and state government have honoured and expressed their support for the book. The Honourable Chief Minister of Gujarat extended their warm wishes and support towards this revolutionary spiritual masterpiece.
આ વર્ષે આત્મસિદ્ધિ શાસ્ત્રનું સવા શતાબ્દી વર્ષ ઉજવાઈ રહ્યું છે. આ વર્ષના ઉપલક્ષમાં શ્રીમદ રાજચંદ્રજીના પરમ ભક્ત પૂજ્ય ગુરુદેવ શ્રી રાકેશજીએ વર્તમાન યુગ પેઢીને લક્ષ્યમાં રાખીને આત્મસિદ્ધિ શાસ્ત્રની દરેક ગાથામાં સમાયેલા ગહન મર્મને સરળ ભાષામાં સમજાવતા અંગ્રેજીમાં એક કોમેન્ટ્રી લખી છે. હું આ ગ્રંથ પ્રકાશન માટે પૂજ્ય ગુરુદેવ શ્રી તથા શ્રીમદ રાજચંદ્ર મિશન ધરમપુરની ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા પાઠવું છું. પૂજ્ય ગુરુદેવ શ્રીને મારા વંદન.
युगो युगो तक मार्ग को उजागर करती मशाल प्रज्वलित की गुरु राज ने जयवंत रहो तिहुकार. महाशास्त्र के मर्म बताए श्री
आत्मसिद्धि शास्त्र पर अंग्रेजी विवेचन वास्तव में एक आध्यात्मिक मार्गदर्शिका है जो स्व के विषय में मूलभूत प्रश्नों का सरल और सटीक स्पष्टीकरण प्रदान करती है. अपने लिए इस पुस्तक की कॉपी पाकर मैं अभिभूत हूँ.
Honorable Governors of Gujarat, West Bengal, Maharashtra and Meghalaya.
राकेश भाई जी के द्वारा लिखित आत्मसिद्धि शास्त्र मिला. इसके थोड़े से प्रश्नों के देखने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि इसका गहन अध्ययन होना चाहिए.
मेरा अनुरोध है कि जिस किसी को भी अभी जीवन के उद्देश्य और ध्येय क्या होना चाहिए ऐसे प्रश्न उठे हों उनको आत्मसिद्धि शास्त्र का वाचन करना चाहिए. यह ग्रंथ सदैव के लिए आपके जीवन में परिवर्तन लाएगा.
Honorable Chief Ministers joined the inaugural launch of the book. The book inspired icons from the film fraternity who applauded the universal message. Amongst them is one of the most influential actors in the history of Indian cinema, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Veteran actor Mr. Anil Kapoor.
Atma-Siddhi Shastra is a chance to transform yourself by realizing your true nature. A simple yet profound composition that summarizes the whole essence of spirituality. Pujya Gurudev Shri Rakesh Ji's commentary on Atma-Siddhi Shastra can help us get away from the vicious cycle of desiring and chasing. This book helps us understand how to take control of our happiness and attain ultimate success.
Considered one of the most influential people of the 21st century, Mr. Ronnie Screwvala launched the book.
You know, all of us in life actually, we look for happiness, we look for peace of mind. But actually those are the two most elusive things in life for all of us. While we pursue everything else, these are the two things we don't normally pursue, and we expect them to come to us. I've been touched to read and very privileged to have this book, and I think it's very inspiring for young people, older people, everyone.
Corporate leaders and influential writers, educationalists, academicians, and even scientists had nothing but praise for this modern spiritual classic. Mr. Ratan Tata, who is a leading philanthropist and recipient of the Padma Vibhushan, also shared his heartfelt thoughts about the book.
Pujya Gurudev Shri Rakesh Ji has redefined what it means to be spiritual, vanquishing the stubbornness of dogma and the rigidity of rituals by bringing about a paradigm shift in thought process, an inner awakening and a transformation of the heart.
An advanced review was also penned by renowned Indian-American author Mr. Deepak Chopra.
Atma-Siddhi Shastra is a practical guide to liberation and freedom from suffering.
Words of commendation were sent by the co-founder of Infosys, Mr. Nandan Nilekani.
I commend all such efforts to promote a deeper appreciation of self-awareness among the youth, so that they can live a more purposeful life.
Leading industrialist, chairman of the Adani Group, Mr. Gautam Adani, expressed his thoughts on the commentary.
Atma-Siddhi Shastra has condensed the crux of spirituality, philosophy and science into poetry. The book is filled with deep concepts in simple language that will encourage young readers globally to embark on their path to happiness and enlightenment.
Founder of the mega retail chain stores D-Mart in India, Mr. Radhakrishnan Damani, offered his opinion on the book.
Amidst this wistful air of ironies, Pujya Gurudev Shri Rakesh Ji decodes and simplifies progressive and practical solutions to these challenges with the ever so potent Atma-Siddhi Shastra.
A heartfelt testimonial has been received from Zia Modi, one of the foremost corporate attorneys of India. One of India's most celebrated scientists and thought leaders, Dr. R.A. Mashelkar, reverentially launched the book.
Atma-Siddhi Shastra is an invitation to a spiritual laboratory, where the result is not just inferential, but also experiential. As a scientist and innovator, I believe that a theory is only as relevant as its application.
The book was also unveiled and launched at prestigious events abroad. An interfaith event at the Manchester Cathedral, attended by eminent dignitaries, witnessed the UK book cover reveal of Pujya Gurudev Shri's commentary on Atma-Siddhi Shastra.
I was one of the lucky ones who got to read the book prior to its release, and I was so inspired by the book that I read, and I hope I will lead a better life, and I hope all of you will explore that book and find some spiritual peace in this very difficult world where there is enough material comfort but there isn't enough happiness, and that dichotomy can be solved only when we search inside, when we make the spiritual journey inside.
Because I think it's going to be an absolute fantastic book to read, very insightful, made you feel like, oh, I want to buy 5, 10 copies. Yes, I want that book.
A spectacular cover reveal took place in the presence of the Council General, the chair of the Board of Parliament of World Religions, along with other leaders in the field of academics, business and community.
It's about the soul, right? And when you talk about the soul, it is relative to everybody and it's not confined to Jains or a certain group. It is the Shastra of the soul. So it will connect with everybody and it will cross all records, is what my belief is.
In association with the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ICCR, a government organization that fosters India's cultural relations with world nations, the book has literally reached every corner of the world. Through its launch in 190 consulates and embassies of countries such as USA, Canada, Australia, Hong Kong, Japan, Thailand, Russia, Romania, Colombia, Lebanon, Israel, Greece, Spain, Albania, Austria, Kyrgyzstan, Ethiopia, Mozambique, Finland, Mongolia, Libya, Iran, Iraq, Switzerland, Saudi Arabia, just to name a few.
I am privileged to receive the exclusive copy of the book Atma Siddhi, The Path of Self-Realization, with commentary by Pujya Rakesh Ji. I earnestly look forward to reading this book. It offers valuable insights. I am confident that this book will be very helpful in spreading the message of peace, love, compassion, non-violence, and advancing the humanity that is the pressing need of our times.
Atma Siddhi no jai jai ho jo, Atma Siddhi no jai jai ho jo, Atma Siddhi no jai jai ho jo, Atma Siddhi no jai jai ho jo. Jainam Jaiti Shasanam, Jainam Jaiti Shasanam, Jainam Jaiti Shasanam, Jainam Jaiti Shasanam. Yug Purush Kripalu Dev no jai jai ho jo, Mangal ho jo, Srimad Raj Chandra Prabhu no jai jai ho jo, Mangal ho jo. Atma Siddhi no jai jai ho jo, Atma Siddhi no jai jai ho jo, Atma Siddhi no jai jai ho jo, Atma Siddhi no jai jai ho jo. Jainam Jaiti Shasanam, Jainam Jaiti Shasanam, Jainam Jaiti Shasanam, Jainam Jaiti Shasanam. Yug Purush Kripalu Dev no jai jai ho jo, Mangal ho jo, Srimad Raj Chandra.
For the first time ever, ICCR and Srimad Raj Chandra Mission in Dharmapur have worked together. The release of the book by Gurudev Rakesh Ji, who has written a book on Srimad Raj Chandra Ji. I'm sure this book will also be a success. ICCR will work with Srimad Raj Chandra Mission to also promote this book and see that the world receives the knowledge from Srimad Raj Chandra Ji. ICCR collaborated to telecast a brilliant play called Yug Purush. We sent it across to all our cultural centers, to all our Indian missions, which is more than 38 cultural centers and 190 missions. This was a resounding success, and there was an overwhelming response from across the world. and we have compiled all the results, and it's tremendous response.
In less than 24 hours of the commencement of pre-orders, the book hit the top charts on Amazon as the #1 bestseller in books. Posts on this unparalleled book have garnered over 3.8 million impressions and 600,000 views across social media. On the sanctified land of Nadiyad, Param Kripaludev's Chitrapat was installed in schools of the Nadiyad region, and the commentary was gifted to 142 libraries to honor the scripture's 142 verses. On the occasion of 125 years of this pious scripture, a grand darshan yatra witnessed 50,000 students visit Sri Atma Siddhi Shastra Rachna Bhumi and get inspired by the life and teachings of Param Kripaludev. By the grace of Param Kripaludev and Pujya Gurudev Shri, may the light of Atma Siddhi illumine the world.